the Vice Chancellor of NSBM, Professor E.A. Veerasinghe, Senior Deputy Vice Chancellor, University of Plymouth, UK, Professor David Moore, and also the representatives from the University of Plymouth, esteemed members of the head table, faculty deans, dearest academic and administrative staff, proud parents, loved ones, and of course, my fellow graduates. An incredibly good afternoon to all of you. So today, as we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, I am honored to address you on this very momentous occasion. It is a privilege to represent the incredible individuals who have worked tirelessly to earn their bachelor's degrees. So to be honest, this is a feeling of complete euphoria. So I have been up on the stage several times as a compeer or for an event, but this moment right now, it beats those experiences. So an individual that I look up to actually, he once told me that this moment only comes once in your lifetime, so to cherish it dearly because it will cease to exist afterwards. With that, believe me when I say that I am going to make the most out of this moment. And I actually officially stepped into the university premises on 1st February 2021, and this is a day I will never forget because we spent months of our studies at home due to the COVID-19 outbreak, and on and off we were at home for quite some time. So during these times, we learned online via Zoom. We faced 24-hour exams, which were online with large pots of coffee besides us. I'm sure most of my peers actually remember this situation. And of course, we were very, very excited to be at the university when all of this was over because, of course, NSBM Green University is a holistic higher education institute that only offers the very best. Moving on to a little throwback, my younger years were shaped by Asian International School, but today I am who I am because of NSBM Green University. And I proudly bear the Plymouth Partnership Prize and all the awards I have received today, knowing that primarily the degree BSc Honours in Events, Tourism and Hospitality Management placed first among all other University of Plymouth degrees offered at NSBM. This is truly, truly incredible, and I've never been happier. So the tourism degree, it gave our undergraduates actually, initially a very practical and also an educational experience. And furthermore, this degree actually guaranteed employment to a larger percentage of our current graduates. As tourism undergraduates, we have had our fair share of exams, assessments, and research projects. However, we have also been on the most fun field trips, been in the organizing committee of events, and also we have volunteered at tourism-related events outside of the university premises, which was a very incredible experience. So allow me to take this moment to give a special shout out to the International Center for Tourism and Hospitality, fondly known as the ICTH. This is our tourism subject circle. So I have been an active member of this club since the day I joined the university. And working in this club with my peers was a highlight of my university years. We had a lot of teamwork, a lot of disagreements. I'm sure once again we can all remember those disagreements, right guys? And yeah, with that we also organized so many fun events like Traversa, Food Harvest, Culinario, and also another highlight was staying late nights before an event. And we made the most amazing friendships as well. As life goes, everything was not sunshine and rainbows. But I am always so thankful for my positive experience at NSBM. With that, allow me to express my deepest gratitude to our Vice Chancellor, Professor E.A.V. Rasingha, such a visionary leader. Sir, thank you for establishing such a prestigious institution for us to get the most unmatched and best university experience ever. And to our Deputy Vice Chancellor, Professor Chaminda Ratnayaka, and to our Head of Academic Development and Quality Assurance, Professor Bharata Dodankotua, I cannot thank you enough for your support as immense pillars of strength to any student who needs it. And of course, to our fantastic Dean of the Faculty of Business, Ms. Thilini De Silva, you have always been an extreme support system to all of us. So thank you so much for your guidance, ma'am, and thank you for your support and also for having our backs at all times. And to the academic staff who guided us through the challenging journey of academia, your knowledge, dedication, and unwavering support have been the pillars upon which our success rests. You have not only imparted knowledge, but you have also inspired us to think critically, dream big, and persevere in the face of adversity. Especially to the internal lecturers, the flying faculty, and the visiting lecturers of the tourism cohort, I offer my deepest gratitude and heartfelt thanks. A loving and special mention goes to my mentor and lecturer, Mr. Janith Iddavala, who is currently in Australia reading for his PhD, and I'm hoping he is joining us via FaceTime at the moment. So to be honest, if not for Mr. Janith, I would not be here on this podium delivering the valedictory address. Sir J, not that much of a tiny brain, I suppose. Thank you for always being there for us and having our backs. You have been there every step of the way, and we cannot thank you enough for your guidance and support. And another special mention goes to my lecturer, Mr. Lasitha De Silva. Sir, thank you for looking after us, motivating us, cracking good jokes, and showing us how to do things right. This part of the speech might get me emotional, but this goes to my Ma and Peps. Thank you for being constant sources of love and encouragement and strength. Your sacrifices and unwavering belief in my abilities have been instrumental in my achievements. Today, as I celebrate my accomplishments, I also celebrate the invaluable role you have played in my life. Despite being somewhat of a pain, or too much to handle sometimes, I'm standing here at this podium today with pride thanks to the both of you. I sincerely hope that I made you proud, and I love you both so very much. Likewise, a big shout out to all the proud parents here with us today, because it's such a joyful day for all of you. To my friends and loved ones, you guys know who you are. Thank you for all your support and motivation. And a special mention here goes to my very close friends Sahandi and Yasumi for always being there for me since day one. I have insane love for the both of you. And lastly, a big thank you to the non-academic staff and maintenance staff, for without them, this university would not function the same way. Alright, class of 2023, time to get real, no? As we step into the real world, we find ourselves equipped with more than just a degree. We carry with us a wealth of experiences, lessons learned, and friendships forged. The challenges we faced and the obstacles we overcame have sculpted us into resilient individuals ready to tackle the opportunities and uncertainties that lie ahead. The world we enter is ever-changing, presenting both challenges and opportunities. It is now our responsibility to apply the knowledge and skills we have acquired to create a positive impact. Remember that success is not defined solely by material achievements, but also by the positive influence we can exert on the lives of those around us. In a world often seeming divided, let us strive to be catalysts for unity, understanding, and positive change. As graduates, we have the power to shape the future, and we must use that power wisely. My fellow graduates, let us embrace the opportunities that come our way with enthusiasm and determination. Let us carry the lessons learned here into the world, and may our journeys be marked by compassion, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Please take a moment to applaud yourselves for all that you have accomplished. Come on, guys. I am standing here incredibly proud of each and every one of you. I may not know each and every one of you, but you are here because of your achievements. So, congratulations, guys. So, let me raise an imaginary toast to the graduates. Congratulations, class of 2023. We absolutely did it. May our futures be as bright as the potential we carry. And this is Seneli Gunaratna signing out for the final time from the NSBM auditorium on behalf of PU Batch 9. Thank you and have an amazing evening.